Okay, we're going to learn how to add fractions with unlike denominators. Okay, denominators that are not the same. We know how to add fractions with denominators that are the same. It's like you just add the top, and you get right. That's it, and you keep the bottom the same. But with fractions with unlike denominators, we can't do that. We cannot do that, and I'll tell you why in another video. But we can't do that. Well, again, I'll tell you right in another video. Because since we can't add denominators, for right now, I just think that you can't add denominators with unlike denominators. We can't add fractions with unlike denominators. Gosh darn it! We have to make the denominators the same, and we can do this by using what we saw here, where if you multiply the numerator and the denominator of a fraction by the same number, you'll get another equivalent fraction to the previously unmultiplied one, the one that was multiplied. We can do the same thing here. What we do is find the lowest common multiple, or the lowest number that two things, when multiplied against, you know what a multiple is. It's a number that this number can be multiplied together. So, for example, as in we have, let's say, 4. 4 times 1 is 4. And the multiples of 4. 4 times 1 is 4. 4 times 2 is 8. 4 times 3 is 12. 4 times 4 is 16. 4 times 5 is 20. These are the multiples. Then we have the multiples of 3, which is 3 times 1 is 3. 3 times 2 is 6. 3 times 3 is 9. 3 times 4 is 12. 3 times 5 is 15. 3 times 6 is 18. We're right there. So then we look at the multiples and we say, which one is the smallest that they share? Which ones do they share, and which one's the smallest? Well, they don't share 4 in common. They don't share anyone except 12. They share 12 in common. And that's the lowest common multiple that they have. The smallest multiple that they have in common. And so we would multiply 4 and 2 by the number we needed to multiply 4 to get 12. And we multiply 3 and 1 by the number we needed to multiply 3 to get 12. So 4 times 3 is 12. So we multiply 2 by 3, which is 6, and multiply 4 by 3, which is 12. Right there. And then we multiply, 3 times 4 is 12. So then we multiply 1 times 4, and 3 times 4, which is just 12. And then we can do normal fraction addition. 6 plus 4 is 10. And then we leave the denominator the same. And kabuya, you can add unlike denominators just like that. All right, thanks, Cole.